Bars allows me to see bar charts of the different theme sets I've created for the thoughts shared in my exchange. When I load the Bars tool, by default, I'm shown the thoughts that are generated by the software itself, the AI-generated themes. I can switch to any theme set that I've created using this drop-down menu here. I can look at my themes in two different ways. I can either look at the average star rating for the themes or the number of thoughts contained within each theme. When I have the average star rating selected, the size of the bar just indicates the average star rating that was assigned to it. If I switch this over to the number of thoughts, the graphic changes. It's nice to be able to toggle between these two views quickly. Just because a theme has a low number of thoughts contained within it, doesn't mean that it's not important to your participants. I can see the thoughts contained within any of these themes by clicking on the bar. I can add comments to different thoughts here by clicking the comment button. If you'd like to learn more about creating good leader comments, you can check out our help article and video specifically about that. I can also add a comment to the theme in general at the top of the screen. If I'd like to create a PDF report of the thought list that I'm seeing here, I can just click the print option. And finally, if I need to make any changes to my themes, if I need to move a thought or two around, I can just click the edit button, which will take me to the theme tool. You can explore help articles related to this and other features by clicking the Help widget button right here on the Discover dashboard. This feature allows you to read articles, watch videos, search for other topics, and even submit support tickets if you have questions. If you'd like to learn more about any of the features on the Discover dashboard, check out our help site at get.thoughtexchange.help. We have videos about each of the different features. You can also reach out to our support team directly at help@thoughtexchange.com. I hope you found this video useful. Until next time, happy thought exchanging.